hope everybody can hear me clearly. मैं बहुत ही खुश हूँ यहाँ आके. IMC is a great cause. It's a great way to encourage a lot of ladies, a lot of artisans and a lot of various talented people, and it also is for a good cause. So I'm very, very happy to be here to inaugurate this festival. I know it's going to be extremely successful, and I'm just very happy to be here. I'm very happy to associate with all these amazing ladies from. मैं बहुत ही खुश हूँ. आपने अगर मेरे Instagram पोस्ट देखे होंगे पिछले 2-3 पोस्ट जो मैंने किए हैं, is to celebrate that only. मेरी सिर्फ एक ख्वाहिश है कि I hope कि we put in more money into sport, more money into female education, more money into just everything. You know, I hope the government is more supportive, and also people who get a lot. You know, I feel like I've been born with a lot, I've been blessed with a lot, and it's my duty to give back in whatever way possible, and I try to do that every day, and in my own little way. So we've all been blessed with a lot, and even if we've not been blessed with a lot, even if we're blessed with something, we should give back to society. Biography कर रही है. अगर जो भी अच्छा आएगा, I'm sure कि इन सब की biographies बनेगी, because they all be. I mean, पहले हमें पीटी उषा पे करना चाहिए ना. Anyway, like even मिल्खा सिंह, हमने मिल्खा सिंह की biography बनाई है, हमने उन्हें celebrate किया है. I hope many runners get inspired by that, athletes get inspired by that. But you know, we are such a huge country with such a huge population. I'm sure कि हमारे country में बहुत सारे talented लोग हैं. हम सिर्फ IT में भी माहिर नहीं, हम स्पोर्ट्स में भी माहिर हो सकते हैं. बहुत. I was very much into sports. मैं बास्केटबॉल खेलती थी, मैं हैंडबॉल खेलती थी, और मैं रनिंग भी करती थी लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस.
वी रेडी वेडिंग.
ये बहुत ही DNA से किसी ने हमें फ़ोन नहीं किया क्लैरिफिकेशन के लिए. आज जर्नलिस्ट फ़ोन भी नहीं उठा रहा है. तो ऑनेस्टली इट्स वेरी malicious gossip. हम certain portions शूट करने वाले हैं, but most of the film, yes, is going to be shoot in April after she delivers, but a lot of the portions are going to be shot right now. तो ये बिल्कुल गलत न्यूज़ है, और it's irresponsible you know way of writing news. I did not expect it from a publication like DNA, honestly. I think in general, this being a patriarchal society, we have a lot of, I mean, even for you know, for actresses or even for sportswomen in general, we have a lot of odds stacked against. I'm sure even in the media, we all go through a lot in offices and stuff like that, where you're judged by the way you look or the way you speak, or whether you're pregnant or not, or any of these things. We all go through a lot of issues. We're not looked at as strong, capable people. We're looked at as women who can't do a lot of things, and we're judged on it. I think it's very, very unfair, and hopefully things are going to get better. You know, because I'm an optimistic person, and you know, something like IMC is also way forward, and that's why I'm so happy to be here to inaugurate this festival. Anything to do with female empowerment, anything for the betterment of a society. If we help women, I think our society gets better, because they actually are the foundations to a better society, a better India. And I think you know, the Olympics has been a great example of it. They could have done much better if we had given them more support. they had better financial support, they had better support from everybody in any way. जी अभी मैं कैसे बोल सकती हूँ, अगर अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट आएगी विच इज़ रिस्पेक्टफुल एंड इट सेलिब्रेट्स एनी person who has set such a standard for music, or any person who's had an impact on society, बननी चाहिए, because that's how history is made, no? Thank you so much.